Today we are going to be unboxing the brand new Cricut Joy 2. I'm really excited about this one. Cricut released this in 3 colors, coral, blue, and green, which is what I have here, and it's a Michaels color exclusive. What makes this launch really cool is they come in bundles. So like they have a starter bundle, essential bundle. So if you're new to crafting or Cricut, you kind of have everything you need to get started making some fun projects right out of the box. So let's open this up and see what comes inside. All right, this is pretty heavy. Essential bundle kit essentials. Looks like it has some insert cards, some practice sheet of smart vinyl, removable, nope, this one's permanent, smart vinyl heat transfer tape, some actual transfer tape, and printable vinyl. Oh, I'm excited to play around with that. And some Cricut value cardstock. Here's a QR code to get the Cricut set up, which we will do that later on in the video. And so here is another part of the essential bundle. So here's some more accessories from the essential bundle. It comes with a card mat, a light grip mat, a ruler, a pin, which is double-sided. These are new, which I'm really excited to try. A scoring tool, a weeding tool, a spatula, and a scraper tool. And then underneath, we have a paper trimmer. Look how gorgeous this color is. I'm so happy I went with the Michaels exclusive color. Green is just for me. All right, now that everything is out of the box, let's talk about what's new with the Cricut Joy 2, because Cricut has actually added 2 really cool features to this machine. One of the biggest updates is that the Cricut Joy 2 can now do print and cut. When it comes to print and cut with the Joy 2, you'll have to keep in mind that the cutting area is about half the size of a standard paper. So after you print your design, you'll have to trim the sheet of paper before putting it on the mat and cutting it with the Cricut. So it's a good thing that the Essential Bundle comes with a paper trimmer. You can now also score paper, which is really helpful if you like to make cards, gift tags, or small paper projects, because now the machine can make the folded lines for you. So those 2 features can really expand what you can do with such a small machine. Now let's get this plugged in and connected to Cricut Design Space.
If you're brand new to Cricut, you're going to want to go to cricut.com/setup and follow the on-screen instructions to download Cricut Design Space. If you already have Design Space, click on your machine and then the setting icon, and then we're going to click New Product Setup. Then Cutting Machine, and then select Cricut Joy 2. Then just follow the on-screen instructions to get your Cricut Joy 2 installed on your Cricut Design Space. Now that we have installed the Cricut Joy 2 and have the firmware updated, it's time to run our first test cut. Alright, let's test the cut using Smart Vinyl. One thing I immediately noticed with the Joy 2 is how seamless this process is. You just load the material into the machine, it automatically reads it, and starts cutting. No need to press go on the machine or in Design Space. Now for the best part, peeling it off. Super easy and satisfying.
All right, so that's the new Cricut Joy 2 and everything that comes in the Essential Bundle box. I love how Cricut now offers these bundles, so people new to crafting or Cricut have everything they need to get started right away. In my next video, I will be comparing the original Cricut Joy to the Joy 2 so we can really compare and see what's different and if it's worth upgrading or not. If you already own a Cricut Joy, are you going to be upgrading to the Joy 2? And if you enjoy Cricut tutorials and craft projects, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. Until next time, stay crafty.